I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the clips and the track so you know exactly what failed and why. You want to confirm which clips are broken, which still hold, and whether the track itself is bent. Then remove 2 adjacent clips to test movement. This lets you access the rail and clear any debris. You should use needle nose pliers to gently straighten metal hooks. If clips are cracked, grab replacements now. Once done, line up a replacement clip next to a good one to match orientation and spacing. Next, remove and replace the faulty clips while keeping the curtain supported. You don't want fabric weight tearing other fasteners. Gently pry or slide the damaged clip out of the track following the track slot direction. Observe how a working clip engages so you replicate it. Align the replacement clip's hook with the track groove and push until you hear or feel a click. Make sure it moves freely along the rail. If the clip has a hinge, test opening and closing so it secures the curtain pleat correctly. Finally, rehang the curtain and slide it slowly across the track to confirm smooth operation and even pleats. If you feel resistance, stop and check the replaced clip orientation and any nearby bent hooks. Small tweaks often fix binding. Make micro adjustments to clip spacing by moving every second or third clip so fabric hangs evenly. If problems persist, inspect the rail for dents or debris because a bent track, not the clip, is often the real cause. Straighten or replace the rail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.